We are out in Cibolo, Texas today at a property located at 448 Slippery Rock. This is in Stonebrook subdivision. This is out 35 off FM 1103. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. Does also have a study. We're going to go in here and take a look at it. This was built in 2009. Square footage here approximately 1,837. So as you see, as you come in here, you're going to have your formal dining. You can see in the distance there's another dining area. We'll go back there in a second. Here's your study, office up front. There's plenty of windows in this property. If you like a lot of light, you can definitely open them up, get quite a bit of light in here. Down this hallway, we're going to have laundry. Through there's the garage. It does have a garage door opener and a water softener. So out in the living space, we had ceramic tile. In these bedrooms, you're going to have carpet. So there's 2 bedrooms up front. The master is in the back. These 2 bedrooms are fairly identical. They're approximately 11 by 11. There is 1 bath here in between these 2 bedrooms. Get one more look here at the dining area. Open floor plan. This is going to be your living area. And that goes right into the kitchen. The ceramic tile. You're going to have a breakfast area over here. You can also put some bar stools here. Have another eating area there. Plenty of countertop space to work on. Plenty of cabinets as well. Here's your pantry here. Show you back to the front. Master bedroom back here in the back does have a fan. It's carpeted. This master bedroom approximately 16 by 14. It's a pretty good size master. And into the master bath. This is going to have separate vanities, one over here. This one's just a little bit lower in height than this one over here. Gonna have a shower, and the toilet has its own space over here, and a nice big walk-in closet as well. So now that we've seen the inside and the front of the house, let's go out back. Nice covered patio out here. It also has a fan for those warmer days. So we're in October here, still got a green yard back here. Plenty of yard space. Let's walk down here real quick. So this property is managed by Liberty Management. They are located at 7217 Bandera Road. You can also call them if you have any questions or want to view the property at 210-681-8080. Mark Fee, Realtor Mark Fee, also has a lot of information. You can call him at 210-619-8161. Excuse me, 210-618-9161. So there's a look at this property, 448 Slippery Rock out in Stonebrook, subdivision in Cibolo, Texas. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Approximate square footage, 1,837, and the school district, Church Cibolo Universal. This was built in 2009. 448 Slippery Rock. Thank you for watching.